Everyone says, just buy VOO and hold forever. And yes, VOO is an incredible ETF. But what if I told you that while many investors were happily earning around 15% a year, another ETF quietly delivered over 34% annually for an entire decade? This wasn't crypto, meme stocks, or a lucky gamble. It was a regulated ETF hiding in plain sight. So the real question is, have you been leaving life-changing money on the table without even knowing it? Today, I'm counting down the highest-performing ETFs of the last 10 years. We start with globally diversified funds like VXUS and VT, move to income-focused SCHD, then the powerful market giants VTI and VOO. After that, things get serious with momentum-focused SPMO, tech-heavy QQQM, and the explosive VGT. But none of them took the number one spot. The king was SMH, the VanEck Semiconductor ETF. It invests in the companies powering AI, cloud computing, smartphones, electric vehicles, and the entire digital economy. Over the last decade, SMH averaged an incredible 34% annual return, turning a $10,000 investment into more than $188,000 with dividends reinvested. Of course, higher returns come with higher risk, and no ETF guarantees future performance. The smartest investors don't just chase the biggest numbers. They choose the ETF that matches their goals, risk tolerance, and long-term strategy. So, before you invest your next dollar, ask yourself one question. Are you buying what's popular, or what's truly building long-term wealth?